Hey everybody, and welcome back to As the Rooster Crows. So we are going to do some guacamole. I'm making fajitas tonight, and this is just going to be one other thing that's going to go with it. So let's get started. Okay, first we're going to need 3 ripe tomatoes. Tomatoes. Avocados. And avocados get this dark color when they're ripe, and they're soft. You don't want a green one. So, and then we're going to just cut right into it. Look at that. The seed fell all right on out. Then we're going to scoop out it's almost like a shell. Alrighty. So we've got all of our avocados in there. Then we're going to take a half an onion, and then we're going to finely chop this. Ooh, they're starting to get to me. What are you doing in here, Chunky? Go. Alrighty, half an onion. It's calling for finely chopped cilantro. I'm going to do about this much. Alrighty, I think that's pretty good. Throw that in there. I'm going to take the other half of this jalapeno. We're going to cut it up. De-seed it. Rinse this off. And then we want to finely chop this. Alrighty. Again, I'm going to use the garlic in a jar because I have no fresh garlic. Then we're going to do the juice of 1 lime. We want to roll it. And then chop it. And then we'll use our handy dandy juicer. And we'll dump all of that in here. The juice of 1 lime. I'm also going to do about a half a teaspoon of Cajun seasoning. Then we're going to mash. Alright, so I've got it all meshed up, and I have to tell you, I just snuck a a small taste, and this stuff is delish. So there you got it. Guacamole. If you try this recipe, let me know what you think. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.